I mean, Kylie. Oh my gosh. Tawa. Ayaw ko. Tawa man. Tingnan mo nga ni yung ko. Gusto mo talaga. Gusto mo talaga ha? I-kick out kita dito. Look, I know you're like me, right? Or no? I have 3 other houses. Okay, 90. Wow. Ed Sheeran. Kung walang binabali na lang, maghanap na lang ng iba. Kung wala, di na bali na lang. Oo. Hindi nga ni Ushus. Ronnie. Hi, Ronen. Mazia. Hello. Wow. To, grabe. May jet ka. May jet. Ang yabang mo naman. Ang yabang naman to may jet plane. Ako may airplane. Made of paper. I like you. I have airplane too. They are the one. Thank you. I have also airplane. I have my private plane, but it's made of paper. Why, may bangka. Oo, may bangka din ako. It's a boat made of paper too. I'm the one. No, fly to Australia and see Melbourne. Belle, come back. What will I do there? Too far. Yeah, it's very far. Hi, Kevin. How are you? Are you okay, Kevin? Is it morning in your country? Red Bull. Is it morning? You're missing out then. Missing out of what? Oh, that's good, Kevin. Good. I'm good too. Melbourne. I don't know what's Melbourne. I wanna go to your country, guys. Be in your country. But I want you to visit me first here in the Philippines. We meet each other. We bond each other. The capital city of Australia. If we really click to each other, joining 6:28 in the Woodlands, California. 6:28 a.m. You're from Texas. Here is 10:29. 10:29 in the evening. That's why I almost sleep. Come on, let's go sleep with me. Oh, 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 oh. I'm alone. And you are with me. Same time for us as well. Oh, where are you, Afro? It's 10:29. Almost 11. My goodness. So, not born. Hi, Nick. You're in Melbourne. And Red Ball, hello. Yeah. This is my outfit when I'm going to sleep. Orange. Because it's cold here. Hi Jay. So what you think to do in your downtime? I'm just here in Bigo. If I'm alone, I'm downtime. I'm here in Bigo to talk with you guys because in my real life I don't have anyone. I'm all alone in my house. I'm always alone. So, you know, if there's no Bigo, maybe I feel the depression, I feel the anxiety. But Bigo helped me because you are there. I can talk to someone. You are there when I get married. If I have time, if the person really accept me of who I am, and I can feel that he really loves me, and I don't like really, even if I'm like this, I'm really a jealous girl. I'm really a jealous girl. I always want my man loves me the most. Mm, the real Pope of Barcelona. Because, if you love someone, you really love her. But I don't like anyone like you are with me right now and then I saw you in the other host. I don't like it. If you love me, you're always with me. Even if you're giving me or not. Because not all the time you have gift, right? Not all the time not all the time that you have um gift, but I still appreciate that you're always with me because you know in loving someone here, it's not about the beans, it's not about money, it's about the consistency and loving ganyan. Hi Rain, sino yung Rain? I'm old fashioned when it comes to love. Me too. Petrus. I am old fashioned. Look at my dress. It's old fashioned. I'm not I'm not wearing so sexy dress. I'm wearing sexy dress maybe if you with me. You and me only, but not in front of all of these people, you know, because I want to preserve my sexiness body for my loved one. Method. Don't lose at home. It's a waste. Don't lose at home.